Hello everyone, I'm Mike from Lux Jewelers, and we have a very special unboxing that I'm here to show all you guys. You guys know I'm a sucker for Rolex GMTs. This is something I sourced personally for myself. It is the new 126718 GRNR. It has the new Rolex GMT movement with the 72-hour power reserve, with the reintroduced gold Jubilee bracelet, with the flip-lock clasp. This was brand new, unworn. It's currently not available here, but if you are interested in one, let us know. We can source you one. We will be doing a full review on it after I wear it for a while and play with it. Any questions, leave a comment. We're here for you guys. Thank you.